cross-chain through Hyperbridge. Welcome everyone to the BNC Explorers tutorial. This video will demonstrate the participation steps using both substrate and EVM addresses. If you're new to Bifrost and want to participate using an EVM address directly, you can trade BNC on the following 4 chains: Base, BSC, Optimism, and Arbitrum. Use trading pairs like BNC/USDT, BNC/ETH, and BNC/BNB to acquire BNC and join the campaign. For this demonstration, we'll use Thena on the BNB chain. Open Thena Swap and paste the BNC contract address here. I will include the BNC and VDOT contract addresses in the video description. Next, swap BNB for BNC and confirm the transaction with an on-chain signature. Afterward, open the Bifrost app, app.bifrost.io/crosschain, choose crosschain, and select BNB chain to transfer BNC to the Bifrost chain. Click Transfer and complete the on-chain signature and confirmation. After that, you can enter Bifrost Liquid Wave, wave.bifrost.io, to participate in the campaign. Liquid Wave Basic Introduction. Once the cross-chain BNC is completed to Bifrost, you will be able to access the Liquid Wave campaign page. Since I recorded it in advance on the testnet, you can directly visit the official website at wave.bifrost.io. Please select Connect Wallet in the upper right corner to link your EVM address. If you have not participated in the Parachain Campers before, you will need to complete some tasks, such as following Bifrost's official X account. The Liquid Wave series consists of 3 rounds. Currently, the LST Campers aimed at Parachain assets has concluded, while the second round, which focuses on BNC incentives called BNC Explorers, is currently ongoing. If this is your first time participating in the Liquid Wave event, you can find an overall introduction to the below, as well as information about the new tokenomics for BNC that Liquid Wave aims to promote. The rules of the first 3 rounds of campaigns primarily revolve around LST assets and wave points. The ultimate goal for participants is to accumulate points and BBNC throughout the 3 rounds, which can then be exchanged for locked notes, BBBNC, enabling them to share in Bifrost Protocol's future revenue distribution. How to earn wave points. Switching to BNC Explorers, the second round of the campaign is now underway. Participants need to complete a series of tasks to earn wave points, which can then be used to farm the BNC reward pool. You can find all the ways to earn wave and the corresponding point bonuses in the Ways to Get More Wave section. There are 3 main ways to earn wave, with the most common being staking BNC. For every BNC staked, you will receive 5 wave. You can enter the amount of BNC you wish to stake here, and below, you can view the wave points and BNC rewards earned from staking. Click Mint to complete the on-chain signature and confirmation. Additionally, if you wish to earn an extra 20% wave staking bonus when staking BNC, you can choose to experience the VBNC governance feature, which provides a 10% staking points bonus. After staking BNC, click Go to Vote to navigate to the Bifrost app and select an ongoing referendum. Currently, there is no referendum for BNC, so I will use DOT as a demonstration. You can view the details of the referendum on Subsquare. In the voting section, select I, input the amount of VBNC you wish to vote with, choose the faith coefficient to amplify your vote, and click Vote to complete the VBNC governance process. Another way to earn a staking bonus is by completing BNC staking within a limited time, granting an additional 10% staking points bonus. If you stake BNC before March 6th, you will receive an extra 0.5 wave for every BNC staked. The second way to earn wave is by inviting friends. In the Invitation Gameplay section, you can bind an invited friend. Once successfully bound, whenever you stake BNC, your friend will receive an additional 10% of the total wave points you earn as invitation points. You can also copy your invitation code and share it with friends or on Platform X to invite them to bind with you and earn invitation points. The third way to earn wave is by converting old points. If you have participated in Bifrost's 2024 events, you may hold Raindrops points. During the current event, you can choose to exchange them for new wave points at a conversion rate of 100:1. However, any raindrops points already exchanged during the LST Campers event cannot be redeemed again. CEX Withdrawal Address Guide. If you haven't swapped BNC from the aforementioned networks, Base, BSC, Optimism, or Arbitrum, you can also choose to purchase BNC from a CEX. Here, we use Gate as an example. Copy your EVM mapped Bifrost address format, which you will need when withdrawing BNC from the CEX. After acquiring BNC, click Withdraw, select BNC, choose the Bifrost Polkadot/bank.network, and paste the previously copied Bifrost address format. After completing the withdrawal, return to the campaign page, where you will see your BNC in the balance section. You can then proceed to participate in BNC staking. BNC Explorers Reward Pools. Regarding the BNC Explorers reward pools, there are a total of 3 pools. The first pool allows participants to earn wave points by staking BNC, which can then be used to continuously farm rewards from the pool. The earlier you start farming this pool, the more BNC rewards you can earn. Additionally, after the event ends, the top 10 addresses holding the most wave will receive leaderboard rewards. You can check the wave rank rewards for each ranking position here. The last pool is the invitation reward pool. The more friends you successfully invite, the more BNC rewards you can earn. The reward calculation formula is your number of successfully invited friends / total number of successfully invited friends by all users times invitation reward pool. In summary, if you want to earn more rewards in this round, 1. Stake BNC as early as possible. 2. Work on earning more wave. 3. Invite friends and establish binding relationships. How to participate with a substrate address. If you wish to experience using a substrate format address, you can download Talisman, Subwallet, or Encrypt to create or connect your substrate address. Click on How to create a BNC address to learn the steps for creating an address. Once your substrate address is connected, you can stake BNC, invite friends, and experience the VBNC governance feature just like with an EVM address. The user experience will be identical to that of using an EVM address. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below the video or join the Bifrost Discord community to ask. The method to join the group is provided in the video description. This concludes the complete tutorial for the BNC Explorers event. We welcome everyone to participate and have an amazing experience.